Hey guys, it's SW7895, and I'm asking, would this be a great backyard for a garden railway? I'm just saying, because look at all the grass. Just take away that bench chair or put somewhere, but my grandma and grandfather went, make me take it out. And tree, you look good. Cheers. Because I like have some kind of railway going like right down there. Like right down there and right down there. And over there I made a recent video saying about the dead cat, like dead cat's right over there. Someone over there. And now down here. Down there I was like balcony. Sorry, my voice is just sorry about my voice. I just had like a mild cold. Now see now everything's okay. Yes. Just leave a comment down and saying if I should have a garden railway, if this place would be good for a garden railway. This is SW7895 saying out.